Welcome to the High-Tech Closets Online 3D Design Tool tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to design your dream closet just in a few easy steps like a pro designer. First, we recommend creating or logging into your existing account. This allows you to manage all of your saved projects in one place. You can easily view, modify, or add any project to your cart when you're ready to order. On the main screen, you will see different space options to choose from. Select an option that matches the space you're about to design. Let's start with designing a walk-in closet. On the first design step, you will see a top view of your room. There are also helpful design tips to help you guide through the process. You can turn that off if it's not your first time using our software. Please have your actual room dimensions ready to enter into the configurator. Also, make sure to verify your ceiling height and the width of any doors, including the casing. You can also add more doors into the room as needed by dragging a door from the left side menu into the correct wall. Change its dimensions and location as necessary. For irregular shaped rooms, you can split a wall and adjust the dimensions by dragging the wall until it reaches the desired lengths. For tutorial purposes, we will undo a couple of steps to bring the room shape back to a more common layout. You can also switch between overhead view, 3D view, and wall view at the bottom of the window. Now let's start designing. The next pop-up window gives you the option to manually design the entire space or use Auto Configurator. Even if you choose the Auto Layout option, you can still modify the suggested layout to match your personal preferences. Let's select Auto Layout. After that, you will be asked to choose between Levio, wall-mounted system, and the Nexus, floor-based system. Let's go ahead and select Nexus. And it's that easy. Your pre-designed closet system is ready. Let's move to the step 2 of the design process. Once the closet configurator generates the preliminary design, take a moment to review the proposed layout. Check each wall and section to make sure it matches your clothing inventory, storage needs, and personal preferences. We carry the most extensive closet system library, which is located on the left. It includes variations of Levio and Nexus systems, with a variety of hanging, shelving, drawers, and many other towers to choose from. You can also mix Levio and Nexus towers within the same layout. Feel free to adjust, replace, or rearrange towers and other components as needed. For the best results, we recommend making modifications in the wall view mode. This is how you can swap a tower with a suggested or similar option, delete it completely, and install a new one from the library. Each tower size can be also adjusted by dragging it to the desired size. Go to step 3 to customize any tower further by adding or removing shelves, rods, drawers, bridge shelves, and any other components. Select the component and click on the unit you wish to incorporate it in. After completing the first 3 steps, you can move to step 4 to select and aesthetic details such as material colors and hardware. can navigate between steps at any time, but changing room dimensions may require restarting the design. On the first step, you may also change the color of the wall that's more relevant to your actual color. Great work! You have designed your perfect custom closet system. The project cost is shown on the top right corner, giving you full control over the final price based on the selected components. When ready, you can easily add the configuration to the cart and purchase your dream closet. And don't forget to save the project into your account for the future references. Congratulations! You just completed full custom design tutorial with high-tech closet systems.